Today, I'll show you how to print Google Docs in a simple, clear way so you can quickly get a physical copy of your document whenever you need it. We'll go through the basic steps, and I'll also explain a few useful options along the way so you feel confident hitting that print button. First, make sure you have your document open in Google Docs. That means you should already be signed into your Google account and have the document you want to print visible on your screen. If you're not there yet, take a moment to open your web browser, go to Google Docs and select the document from your list, or open it from Google Drive. With your document open, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. To start the printing process, move your mouse to the File option and click it. This opens a drop-down menu with a list of actions you can take on your document. In this menu, look for the print option. It's usually near the middle of the list, and in many browsers, you'll also see the keyboard shortcut displayed next to it, such as Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. For now, just click on Print in that file menu. This will open the print preview window. The print preview is where you can see how your Google Doc will look on paper before you actually print it. Take a moment to glance through the pages shown on the screen. You can scroll through them to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Check that the text isn't cut off, the margins look right, and any images or tables are placed correctly. Now look for the section in this window labeled Destination or Printer, depending on your browser. This is where you choose which printer you want to use. Click on the drop-down and you should see a list of printers that are available to your computer or network. Select the one you want to print to. If you don't see your printer, make sure it's turned on, connected to your computer or Wi-Fi, and properly installed on your system. Once you've chosen your printer, you can adjust a few basic settings if needed. For example, you can select which pages to print if you don't want the entire document, choose the number of copies, or switch between portrait and landscape orientation. You can also check whether you want color or black and white printing, depending on what your printer supports. These options are usually grouped together in the same print window. After you've confirmed that everything looks correct and your printer is selected, you're ready to send the document to the printer. Look for the print button, usually at the bottom of the window, and click it. Your document will be sent to the printer, and in a few moments you should hear your printer start working. That's all there is to it. You opened your document in Google Docs, went to File, chose Print, selected your printer, reviewed the preview and settings, and then clicked Print to get your document on paper.